Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect gaming headset to console, easy method step by step clearly. Begin by gathering your gaming headset and console. Identify the types of ports available on your headset. Check which console you have, as instructions may vary slightly. For a wired headset, locate the audio jack on your console, usually found on the front or back. Plug the headset's audio jack into the corresponding port. Ensure the connection is firm and secure. If using a wireless headset, find the USB receiver that comes with your headset. Insert the USB receiver into an available USB port on your console. Turn on your console and navigate to the Settings menu. Look for the Audio or Devices section within the settings. Select the option to pair or connect a new device. For Bluetooth headsets, ensure your headset is in pairing mode. Follow the console's prompts to connect your headset. Once connected, adjust the audio settings to your preference. Test the sound by launching a game or navigating through the menu. Ensure the microphone is working by speaking into it and checking for audio feedback. Make any necessary adjustments to volume levels. You're now ready to enjoy your gaming experience with your headset. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.